I've found the noise on my brakes. Basically, there's the brake pad. If I lift that up and get my finger in there, that's the noise. So if you look, there's a lot on the brake pads, so it's going to need new pads.